What's up, gang? So today I'm coming at you guys with another tutorial. It's Tamia, of course. I forgot to introduce myself, but I'm coming to you guys with another tutorial. This one I'm thinking something along the lines of like a pink summer look, and not just any summer look. I'm actually gonna be trying out a new technique. Yes, I saw my girl Aaliyah Jay do her new summer soft glam or whatever routine, and it was with no highlight. So I'm like, girl, what? No highlight? What do you mean? Like, highlight is everything to us girls. So I liked her look, by the way. I mean, I don't know. Maybe it's because, you know, as you get older, you realize, okay, let me try a new technique. Let me, you know, take this away, or let me do this differently to get a different look, or to, you know, just update your look. So I'm gonna try this look out myself and give you guys a review on it. So that being said, I'm gonna go in with, like, you know, a nice summer vibe look, something bold maybe, I don't know, but stay tuned to see how it comes out, and if this is gonna be the new tea, the no highlighter look. I'm honestly very interested to see how this will come out, so keep watching. We're gonna go straight into this video.
Alright, so of course I'm starting off with my skincare, making sure my skin is nice and healthy and glowy. Yes, my new secret is sunblock, and just putting that, well, patting that all over my face every day, and my skin, to make sure I'm protected. I can't be too hot in this hot girl summer, okay? So now we're using Maybelline Fit Me concealer as a base for our eyeshadow and blending that out. This is some blush that I got from NYX. I'm gonna use that as a base as well to dry down my concealer. Now I'm using the Too Faced Melted Lip Paint, I think it's called, this Balm Hot Pink. Yeah, I'm gonna use that as an eyeshadow. Gonna blend that out, but
A video.
Yeah.
Yes. What's your name?
Ryan.
How old are you?
2.
2?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cute. That's cute. And why are you here today, Ryan?
Yes. Baby.
Okay. You so cute. Cute. You want to say bye-bye now?
Bye-bye.
All right, now go ahead. I guess he's not leaving anytime soon.
Yeah.
okay, my bad, y'all. So I ended up blending out that lipstick on my eyelid while I was trying to get my baby brother out of the room. And now I'm going to show you guys how I did that here. So you're just basically going to put it on your eye and shape it, blend it, pat it, go up as high as you want. You can go up to your freaking eyebrow if you want. I decided to stop here because I knew I was going to add more transition colors. So now I'm taking that bright orange in the Morphe 350 palette, the entire reason I even bought the damn palette, and I'm taking a Morphe brush that's kind of dense but kind of blendy, and using that to pat the orange on top. This gives me like a cool sunset effect. It's so pretty, perfect for the summer. And so I just pat that on, and then I go in around the top in circular motions to make sure that it's super blended out. Great. So now I'm taking my Cabana boy from the Balm and using like a pencil like brush and putting that at the top of the edge to make it more cohesive. Taking some of that lipstick that was left on the brush, I'm using that to smudge my my waterline. And then I even took some of the orange and did the same. Topping it all off with my Cabana boy from the Balm. I'm putting that all the way at the bottom, so it literally goes pink, orange, light pink. And now I'm using my Lash Princess lashes. This makes you look like you have on falsies. For those of us who haven't mastered the falsies yet, guess what, baby? We don't need to, because we have this stuff, okay? And the way I apply my mascara just makes it pop and gives you that false lash look. Mascara really does an eye look justice. It deepens the look, gives you more depth, and just makes it look more feminine with a nice cat eye look. You know, sometimes you get that cat eye look with mascara. Perfect, darling. So now I'm going into my Fenty Beauty Diamond Milk. I think that's what this is. Diamond does something. I love this stuff, but I'm taking it and using it as a base in my inner corner and on my brow bones. This is just prep for my Wet n Wild eyeshadows that I bought. I got a whole bunch of these that are basically like glitters and some Vaseline. They're like $2 at CVS, and they are amazing, especially the silver one. Just look at this. I go in my inner corners, and just to remind people that it is a hot girl summer, I'm putting some on my brow bone too. And look at that. Now it's time for face. So we're taking the L'Oreal LUMI GLOTION, putting that on a foundation brush, and just painting that all over our skin, giving us that nice glowy look. Now, I know I said I wasn't using any highlighter, so this isn't cheating. I really use this on my face, okay? So yeah, I take it everywhere, on my forehead and even down to my neck. And then here's the trick. Since I use a brush to apply this, I'm gonna take my Kabuki brush, spray some face mist on it, and pretend it's a beauty blender. Tea. So I have a blush brush and a fake beauty blender. And that really just gives me a perfect finish. Going back into my Cabana Boy by the Balm, I'm gonna take the Kabuki again and apply this blush. I go over my forehead, over my nose, under my chin. We're basically bronzing with this blush. I feel like if you have a lot of melanin, you have to kind of make blush, you know, blend with your whole face, you know? So that's my tip to doing it. So now using an E.l.f. lip balm in Flirty and Perky pink, I'm just adding that on top. Low-key cringing right now because I couldn't put on any nose highlight or Cupid's bow highlight, but we're just going in with our lip look with some Morphe lip paint and Social. Cute. And now taking the NYX shimmer gloss, I think this is, in Salsa to top off everything. Yep, just gonna spray my face. Let it air dry, and that completes the look, guys. Yes.
Okay, so here's the final look. What are my thoughts about not wearing highlighter? To be honest, okay, I did cheat just a little bit with using my L'Oreal LUMI GLOTION as a foundation, BB cream, whatever the case is. But to be honest, that is what I use on my face every day, every time I do my makeup. So what do you want me to do? Okay, so to be honest, I was cringing when I realized that I would not be putting on any nose highlight, any Cupid's bow highlight. Like, I was cringing. I was cringing because that tops a look off for me. Like, that tops it off. And that's my heart right there. I love to do that. That's my, oh, I was cringing. But to be honest, I mean, I like the look. I really like it. I don't know how it would be if I did an everyday look without highlighter, because I feel like highlighter really takes your look to the next level. So, moral of the story is, this is cute and all. I really love this look. Period. I will go outside like this. I really love this look. And maybe the highlighter is a good thing. The no highlighter is a good thing, because it's like nothing distracting you from the look. There's nothing, it just looks fresh, you know? Like, it's not, you know how sometimes people put highlighter on and you can see the line of demarcation? I don't do that, but sometimes you do slip up and you can see that line of demarcation, and that's really annoying and it throws off your look. So the fact that that whole ordeal is eliminated. Oh, I'm sorry, I should turn off my TV. I'm sorry. Okay, so the fact that that line of demarcation is, you know, not a factor here, it turns me on to this. I don't know why. So maybe it's a good thing, or maybe it's just because this look is bright and bold and I can kind of get away with it. So I'm kind of thinking about going back in with this research / experimentation and trying it on something that I will wear every day, even though I already have an everyday makeup look video up. Go check that out, by the way. I will try to link it to this video. But yeah, I'm not gonna do the same exact look as I did in that one. I'll do a different everyday makeup look and try to not put on highlighter. Like, this is crazy, but to be honest, I really like it. I kind of love it. Is this gonna be the new trend? Is highlighter out? Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Will highlighter ever be out? Like, will that ever not be a trend anymore? I'm really curious to see where makeup is gonna take us in the next 5, 10 to 15 years. So leave me a comment down below and let me know. Let's chat about it a little bit, and let me know if you want to see any specific looks. And let me know if you want me to do the video where I do an everyday makeup look without highlighter, because I'm really curious to see, you know, if there'll be a big difference if I feel like something is missing in my makeup look, or if I figured out a new technique. But this is really cute. I don't know if I'm gonna stop wearing highlighter forever, to be honest, but you never know. Maybe this is just a nice switch up. Some days you don't feel like putting on too much, you know, but I always feel like putting on highlighter. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think about this, seriously though. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you guys want some more videos, because they're gonna be coming at you guys, okay? I'm gonna try to do, you know what, I'm not gonna talk about what I'm gonna try to do. I'm just gonna do it, okay? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.